Hey guys, Justin here.
That is not Justin right there. I am Justin right here. That's Chris. And Kwun Tong Line, according to caption, new PA #2 because we're doing into the PA system checkout today.
Yeah.
We've just finished the Israel line checking, and now onto Kwun Tong Line. And let's see whether Chris's M-train luck will continue.
I don't think so.
Okay, the last train is a C-train, and it left when we come down here. And today we're gonna cover both of the Twin Mile Line stations, which is Diamond Hill and Ho Man Tin. So we end at Ho Man Tin for this journey. Choi Hung to Ho Man Tin with the interchange station for Twin Mile Line. And that's a C-train. All right, 373. For car number 5, because this is the perfect spot for the lift. Usually I take the lift, and the perfect spot to take the lift is at 5-1 when you exit Ho Man Tin. Hopefully there's a spot. And yes, there's no spots. Backward spot. Choi Hung to Ho Man Tin. And I don't think you guys have seen the map for this yet. We've seen it one time on the K train.
Yeah.
M-train on the other side. And that's the Twin Mile Line map right there with the C-train connection. The Israel line color went a little bit lighter because it's not really that light of the light blue color for the Israel line.
Yep.
Next station, Diamond Hill. Alright, apparently it's like that, huh? Next station, Diamond Hill. Interchange station for the Twin Mile Line. Phase 1 is closed.
Yeah, officially closed.
Officially closed in West Rail Line. Next station, Diamond Hill. Here's Diamond Hill. And of course, if you're going down to Ho Man Tin, you should just change right here. Way faster, but we're gonna take Kwun Tong Line today. Diamond Hill is still the spot for people coming. Diamond Hill, let's keep going. More M trains. That's a little loud there. That's okay. It's a little weird. Next station, Whampoa City.
Already better.
我每一次我特西被接到。 Next station is Changchun. Connecting station for Changchun. 唔係佢係黃柴線。Lock food. Alright, lock food. Wait for the train to leave. Now that I've used the app to edit, pretty useful and pretty smooth, but try to avoid using that. But here is the triple line connection, but yet not a changing spot. Okay, now I'm gonna give you the map again. Alright. And comment down below, how do you think that the East Rail Line is gonna draw afterwards? Because I'm looking at the map and I saw no space to draw down to Admiralty from Hong Kong with adding Exhibition Center Station.
Interchange station for the East Rail Line.
So comment down below how you're going to draw that on that map, because there's like lack of spots. Downtown, more M trains. Kwun Tong. Next station, Changchun Lane. Not the announcements I like. Next station, Changchun Lane. Check it made. 3 more stations to go. Next station, Prince Edward. Interchange station, Changchun Line towards Right, so Changchun Line will be the next video, with Changchun Line in the next video. What? Alright, Prince Edward, M-Train. Next station, Bangkok. Interchange station for the Changchun Line towards Central. Bangkok. And we'll film the wide angle.
How wide do you want?
Next Yamate, let's film the train doors closed.
Please stand back from the train doors.
I usually put the doors on the edge when we do the wide angles because then you can at least also look at the windows. It's like so you're seeing the views going like this, which is I think cool.
I usually put door and then window.
Sometimes I stand right here to do the wide angle, then I can with two doors in the same time.
Yeah.
But now there's a dude over there, so.
Normally I would do with door and then
Next station,
zoom, more zoom.
But this is the wide angle that I like it, or you can do like a 1.1 zoom. Like that.
Usually I put door over the side closer to
It's just like this now. 下一站油麻地，下一站油麻地。Next station, 油麻地。It has been 5 years now almost that Yamate
It's no longer
was no longer a terminus. Has been terminus for like over 30 years before, and then when Whampoa opens, and it's just and now we can't do the wide angle. There are people right there. But we can do another wide angle though. It's okay. It's okay. Or I stand where you. Right here. Okay, so the next station, Whampoa's part, is actually no different. It's the same. But it's just added in same station to Mala. Get off Whampoa. I really wish for a Whampoa train. But not now for sure. It has to be like rush hours or weekends.
or occasionally something.
Because I have a lot of Whampoa trains related videos, but they're all the entering and leaving. They're the leaving things.
I also have a lot on the line. Those Western ones are free, and then one has been reserved.
Mayfu.
No.
And yesterday I saw a Line train. It still has the Mayfu special train in the morning.
Yeah.
I saw it train going to Mayfu and Choi Hung Temple.
And Diamond Hill.
Yes. And I don't know whether there's City One special train.
No.
No. But there are still Mayfu special train, which is pretty cool. Here is the good old Whampoa station. Let's get out.
Something starts from 61.
Because there are City 110 by side. And like I said, if you exit at 5-1, it is a perfect spot to head over here to the left. Whampoa.
请不要靠近木门 Please stand back from the platform doors.
Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so then get notifications when I post.
Click on those videos on top.
Click on those. And one video will be Chris's video, so check that out. I will usually throw in related videos like a Kwun Tong Line video for Kwun Tong Line. Subscribe to my bus channel.
Next.
And peace.